right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going in.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you're not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and give this video a big thumbs up right now. Alright, so I was showing you guys that I was using an Infinity Pro wand curler by Conair, and I had it on 330 degrees Fahrenheit. And I also believe that this barrel is 1.5 inch. I believe so. So what I'm doing is taking small sections of the hair and I'm wrapping it around the barrel, and the wand curler is facing downward. So I left the hair on the barrel for about 20 to 30 seconds. You don't have to leave it on for this long. I did this because I was not going to put the wig on right after I was finished. So I left it on for about 20 to 30 seconds. So after I dropped the hair from the wand curler, I held it so it can set as it cools down. So in order to get the curls to not clump together, I made sure I took each section and curled them the opposite way. So one curl will be going towards my face and the next curl will be going away from my face. So that's pretty much all to it. It's really simple. So I'm just going to let you guys continue to watch. So you guys, that is all for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing from me. Thank you guys again for watching, and see you guys in the next one.